20 years ago, I was a Superior Criminal Court judge and a family court judge, a multi-hatter, they called me. And it had become very clear, I think, societally, that the way our criminal justice system was responding to those who suffer from substance use disorders was just dysfunctional. You can't cure someone who has a substance use disorder, an addiction, by telling them, stop using drugs, stop drinking. We're going to put you in jail, and that'll teach you a lesson. And then they're gonna be all fine when they get out. Of course, they're not. The first thing that someone under those circumstances does when they get out is go celebrate their release from jail. And that leads to more drinking and more drug using, which leads to more criminality, which leads to more arrest, more prosecution, and we're in this endless cycle where nothing productive is being done. I had the opportunity to create a drug treatment court, which was a diverted, that is, those with substance use disorders who were committing nonviolent crimes, or parents who were being neglectful, not willfully, not because they're malicious people, but they're engaging in negative conduct as a result of their substance use disorders. And we're able to create two special courts to divert those types of individuals out of the criminal justice system, away from a punitive response, and create a treatment program for them. In the last 20 years, we've had literally hundreds and hundreds of people who have successfully changed their lives, gotten kids back from foster care, been able to get and keep good jobs, become contributing members of the community. It's been one of the most rewarding things that I have done. I serve on the New York State Association of Treatment Court Professionals Board of Directors. So you give out to others in doing things like that, but it also gives you a sense of professional fulfillment. And sometimes you just get goodies. It's like good karma. You do good things. 2018, I received a Fulbright Award from the United States State Department to go teach about this at a law school in Ireland. That's not something I ever would have been able to do or even thought of doing. But it's those types of opportunities to really make a difference in your community and in society generally that keep me interested and involved. And as I said, sometimes you get unexpectedly happy, positive returns from doing things like that. But one of the memories I have that will always stay with me, a mom who, single mother, 2 kids, long-term victim of domestic violence, had turned to substance use to try to deal with her situation. And it was the last court session before Christmas. She'd been working hard for a year to get the kids back. She came before the bench. I said, congratulations, you're a year clean today. You've got a job, you've obtained and maintained stable housing. When would you like to get your kids back? And she said, I'd like to get them back as soon as I could. And we had set it up ahead of time. So the foster mom brought the kids in the back of the courtroom, and we were able to return the children to her that day. And they had a great holiday. So it's those type of moments that keep me actively involved.